He can't get it. He's too slow.
You just want that one bird to get it. Is that what it is?
Well, he wasn't able to get anything. He's slower than this guy. He's slower than the others. And I keep hitting him in the head with it. Oh, he finally got it. Thank you.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
He's like the dopey one.
And you know, for them, if you hit them in the head with it, you know, they get it.
Yeah.
Here they come. I'm getting this guy here, and here's this guy. There's 3 of them now.
Okay, let me zoom in on them. They're the ones that I want to know what they are, what kind of bird they are. They got that strange marking going on.
Ah, he got a piece of bread.
There he goes.
Yeah. Let's see if he brings any back for the wife.
Maybe. And then there's a squirrel always
Oh,
looking,
look at the squirrel.
always wanting in.
Let's see if I can get the squirrel. Oh, almost. You're too slow, squirrel. Mr. Squirrel. Too slow. Not as fast as the sparrows. Nobody's as fast as those sparrows. Look at the chickens. They're becoming interested.
The chickens are quite interested. They are.
They're like, what's going on over there? We used to be able to feed the chickens before they covered the top, but they covered the top. You can't throw stuff over.
Yeah, you can't get it through the...
You got to get it all the way over.
Yeah, God. Yeah. And if they didn't
If
cover...
you miss it, then the squirrels will get it.
You got to get it through the... Beyond the one screen.
Yeah.
There's the 2 squirrels now.
Look at that squirrel.
He's up there. He's right there waiting for it.
He got it. Oh, he's slow. Look at him.
He's eating it.
Oh, look at the squirrel.
He's happy. He likes it.
He's
These
dumb.
squirrels are friendlier than the
average squirrel.
The average squirrel.
Oh, he got it.
He's...
They're not going to mess with the squirrel, but he's got it. Look at him. He's got to hold it with his paws. He's got it in his mouth.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is the last. Look at this guy, so fully sitting down. Look at him.
Who sat down?
Look at the beautiful. Look at the speckled breast.
Yeah.
Look at that. I think it's a woodpecker type of story. You got it.